How's it going, everyone? We are back again. This time we got another two tickets here. We got two of the $20 215 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. As you guys know, these are one of my favorite tickets here. Overall odds on these ones are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes there on screen range from $20 up to the top prize of $2.5 million. Let's go ahead and turn these over. Get scratching, get some wins here. We have tickets number 28 and that black box number 29. We're going to get started on ticket number 28. As always, guys, we're looking for that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize, or that bag of cash there for 100 instantly. Let's go ahead and see what our winning numbers are going to be here and see if we can't get ourselves a win on the first ticket. We got 46. 11, 34, 31, 25, 36, 26. First row here, we got 32, 23, 47, 50, 45. 7, 10, 43, 27, 21, 35, 2, 19, 4, 37. Last two rows. Yeah, 39, 48, 12, 24, 40, 30, 16, 9, 29, and 42. Alright, guys, that was ticket number 28. It appears to be a loser, unless I missed anything. Let's move on to ticket number 29. See if we can't get a win here on the last ticket. We got 32, 40, 2, 30, 45, 49, 36. First row here, guys. Let's start out with a 49 and a win on 49. First scratch, first match on this one. Nice to start out with a win on the second ticket there. See if we got anything else to go along with it. We got a 14, 23, lucky 44, not lucky for me today, 28, 5, 11, 31, 15, 35. $39. We got another 49 there. Second 49. 37. 42. 48. So we got two matches there so far. 46. 38. 33. 50. 40. We got our third match on 40. 1, 16, 7, 22, 10. Alright, so we got three matches there. We matched the 49 twice and the 40. Let's go ahead and see what's under the first 49 up at the top. We got $10. Another $10. And under the 40, if we can pull out a 20 under this, we will have a break-even session. Another $10. Alright, not bad. We spent a total of 40, cashed out 30 on that ticket. We lost $10 for this session. As always, guys, if you would, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if I missed anything. And we will see you guys on the next one. Have a good night, guys.